Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Nice to see you. So today I'm just going to be doing my first ever tutorial on the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. The palette that I'm going to be using today is Bling Boss. It's just a beautiful pink red color palette. The other three tutorials will be coming soon, so just stay tuned. And if you want to see how I got this look, let's go ahead and keep watching and we'll just jump right in. First thing that I'm going to be doing is applying some tape. I like to apply tape whenever I want like a super cut look, and I'm going to go for that today. So now that I have the tape on, I'm just going to go in with my E40 blending brush, and I'm just gonna dip into the first color, which is Hush Hush. It's just a nice pretty base color, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelid, on the outer corners, above the crease. Very soft feeling. Loving this feeling. Soft on my eyelid. So the next color that I'm going to be dipping into is going to be Sparks. I'm just going to take that same brush and tap into it and get some pigment off and apply it to the outer corner of my crease and going in. Sort of cut crease today, so I'm not going to be taking any colors into the inner corners of my eyes because I want to apply some concealer and make sure that's really white. So just the outer corners. This color doesn't look patchy to me like it did when we swatched them, which is great. It blends out very well. Very easy, pigmented, which is amazing. So then I'm just going to go into the color Rockstar, which is that deep purple maroon color right here. Very pigmented, and I'm just going to tap this in. On the middle of my eyelid. It's like a magenta. I'm going to do the same for the other side. Take the color Sparks and I'm going to apply it right before Rockstar. And blend that in. I want it to have like a fading effect. Like an ombre kind of thing. I'm going to be going into color Mystic with the same brush, and I'm just going to add this to the outer corner of my eye. Now we're just going to clean it up with some Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to apply this to the back of my hand and take a concealer brush. This is a small concealer. This is a Verona concealer brush, and I'm just going to dip that in pick up some product and make sure it's like well evenly distributed. And I'm gonna start on the outer corner and go in. I'm only gonna go halfway. Concealer is cut. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Bling Bling, which is this pretty like almost duochrome color. It looks very chunky, like a chunky glitter. She did have two of those kind of colors in her original palette. So this is the E55 flat Sigma brush, and I'm just gonna spray that brush with Max Fix Plus, and I'm just gonna go right in, swiping motion. And I'm gonna swipe down, starting from the outer corner in. I'm gonna go back in with my E40 blending brush. I'm gonna take the color Sparks, which is that red color, and just dip in. I'm gonna tap and blend that shadow back in. So there she is. Now I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner and some mascara. I'm using the Sex Kitten eyeliner and the Scuba by the Balm mascara. Alright, so now that I have eyeliner applied, I'm going to go in with some glitter. You know, of course, I have to have glitter. This is the NYX liquid crystals, and this is in crystal silver. And it's just some like an eyeliner. I'm just going to follow the cut crease line and take it halfway. To be touching. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to start putting some glue on my lashes. And today I'm using the KoKo lashes. These are in Venus. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm just going to apply some Hangover primer. I'm gonna clean up the eyeshadow. Go ahead and take off the tape. So now that I took off the tape, here is the look. I'm loving it. So now I'm just gonna apply my lashes. Alright, so now that my lashes are on and my primer is applied, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some foundation. And then of course I'm using my NARS Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation. And I'm just going to take a beauty blender that is damp. It's not super wet, it's actually like almost dry. Alright, so now that my foundation is applied, I'm going to go ahead and apply concealer. I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. And I'm just going to blend everything out. The same beauty blender. Powder. The setting powder that I'm using today is my Holy Grail Mercier. I had to go buy a new one because I ran out. And it does last a long time, like 3 months. I love getting new makeup. Right, so I'm just gonna shake some in here in the lid. I'm gonna take my same beauty blender. I'm gonna take the clean side and dip right into it. And I'm going to apply this wherever I applied concealer. And then I'm going to take whatever is left in the lid, which is like not that much, and I'm going to take my F40 blending brush by Sigma F30, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face, just patting it in. Bronzer. I'm going to be using the Bahama Mama bronzer today, and I'm going to be taking my Sigma angled brush, contour angled brush, the F40 brush, and I'm just going to swipe. Godet blush, my Holy Grail blush, and I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Give me some light. Yes. And I'm just going to apply some highlighter. This is also my Holy Grail highlighter, the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. And before I do that, I'm gonna set my face with some MAC Lip Plus and give it a few sprays. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M510 brush and apply that where I want. So I'm going to be taking the Sigma E30 pencil liner brush, and I'm going to be giving myself a pop of color. I'm going to go in with the purple shade called Gem. Very pretty. And I'm just going to apply this from the outer corner the color Bling Bling, and I'm going to apply this to the inner corner just to give it a pop, and also my brow bone. it's pink, but it gives us such a pretty glowy effect. So next I'm going to be applying some lipstick. I'm going to be applying the Ofra Cosmetics Verona. Alright, so here is my finished look. This is using the Bling palette again. My overall review is yes, thumbs up. I did like the pigmentation. It was so pigmented. Every single color was easy to blend out. I did notice that I'm starting to get a little bit patchy once you start building it up. I will be posting more tutorials on the other 3 palettes, so there'll be 3 more videos coming up soon. If you guys want to see that, just go ahead and subscribe, click the bell, and you'll get alerted for every single video that I post. If you liked this video, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel. Alright beauties, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a beautiful day.